started coming out though.
Want to say hi, Roddle?
Roddle. Hi.
How's it going? Good. You excited?
Yes.
Out here at Sonoma, unload, and then driver's meeting, and we'll get to it.
Should be okay though, but
Maybe like.
Overshot it a little bit.
Yeah.
Here, wait.
You okay?
Yeah, just cold brakes. Went way too hot in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you know what's going on.
Yeah.
All right. Ready?
Yep.
Go.
Thank you.
You're creeping over on that. Stay to the left, then turn in.
All right.
Like here. Now turn in. Don't follow him. That's shit. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Look up. Look up. Look up.
Unpredictable. Yeah. That's the worst. Yeah, that guy's pointing the Corvette by, but he won't go.
Filming this on my phone. I forgot my camera. This will be like post track day because I forgot to totally also make an outro. Sonoma, super fun. One of the most technical, if not the most technical track that I've ever done, and maybe in California itself. I thought Laguna Seca was pretty technical. Sonoma, super technical. Just the elevation changes, the turns, how you got to connect things. If you really mess up one section of you're going to mess up your whole flow for the entire section following, especially the S's. If you go in too fast, you go in too slow, you too wide, you cut it too much, you just wreck your whole momentum through that section, and it really shows. Personally, I think the S's, turn 10, and the carousel were probably my strengths of that course. Turn 7, 1 and 2, those definitely were very hard for me. The carousel, consistently, I got faster and faster and faster through there. But overall, the car did extremely well. The vents helped with temperature. The 275 NT01s that I got, amazing tires. I think I like them more than the Hankook Z221s I had. But as you can tell, they are 275, but they did rub a little. And personally, I think that is because of my old ISC coilovers. You can see some rubbage up in there. I definitely need some new coilovers. 4.5 years with these ISCs, and age is definitely showing. Dampening all over the place. It is completely bouncy as hell. But car did great. Unfortunately, Rodell had to go home early because of issues with his car, suspension-wise. And, I mean, no overheating issues, consistently running like 220. The highest I saw for coolant was 223, and that's when I was really pushing the car for the 156 lap. Oil temps, highest I ever saw was 265, and that was at the hottest point of the day, like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock area. But yeah, by the end of the day, the track is really greasy. It's really hot out, so I probably had 3-4 laps most to go out there and really push the car. But yeah, no issues with the car. The only thing is the surge tank's making a different noise, but I am not too worried. Overall, car did great. Huge thanks to Adam for coming out with me. He towed me there because, you know, state ref ain't holding me back from getting to a track day. But definitely think I want to do Sonoma again. Definitely want to do Laguna again. Thunderhill, that can wait. But Laguna Seca and Sonoma are definitely high on my list to do again. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Little update, state ref still ongoing. My extension is extended, so I don't even know when. But like always, I'll keep you guys in the loop. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.